Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Is done really better than perfect? In most ways, yes, it actually is. Just to get it off your list and move on, learn from what mistakes you have made and go forward from there instead of letting it hold you back and keep redoing it or be like, oh no, I have to edit that, or oh, I better redo that stitch, or stay in that one project. You don't actually grow as much as you could and will if you just let go of it and be like, it's done. If you want to do it again, do it again. Nothing wrong with that. But done actually is better than perfect. A few reasons. One, it's off your list. You don't have to do it again. If you do it again, you're gonna do it better. Number two, you're gonna learn from the mistakes you made. And it doesn't matter, we don't even have to be talking about crochet. We can be talking about anything in your life, like any task, but to have it finished and to be able to move on or redo it in the future when you have a new idea of doing it or a new way or a workaround for what you think you did wrong before, it's better to just get it done, tick it off your list and move on, either to something new or to redoing it again as a complete project, start to finish, although generally just move on to something else. If you're talking about a YouTube channel, which I know lots of you have started channels and we've been talking about it for the past few weeks, don't let bad editing or what you think is bad editing or bad lighting or bad sound or bad whatever, speaking of which, I forgot to even plug in my microphone. But don't let it hold you back. I'm gonna put up this video without plugging in my microphone. I'm sorry, I have a great microphone. I forgot to plug it in, but done is better than perfect. Tomorrow, I don't have to be like, oh, I have to do that video again. I don't have to. I want to do that video again that I was talking about or I had in my head. No, I'm doing it today and I'm gonna do it with the sound that's on my camera because done is better than perfect. Is it gonna be perfect? No, I'm making mistakes all the time, but it's gonna be done and off my list. And if there's a bunch of questions about it, or I'm pretty sure I did it horribly, I'll do it again. Especially when you're starting out on YouTube, nothing's gonna be pretty and everything is gonna be, even if you think you did really great, you're gonna look back on it and be like, oh my goodness, like it's so bad. Like my first tutorials, my voice is actually shaking because I'm so nervous that I'm like, I don't even know who I'm talking to. Like my principal from elementary school, like I have no idea. But like I'm so nervous, I can't even basically speak in a voice that is calm. Like hot mess, right? I put another video, I didn't edit it right, and there's like 16 minutes of dead time or 12 minutes of dead time at the end of the video. But I've already connected with my subscribers and I've chatted with everybody and I don't want to delete it because I've already talked to everybody and that's like the whole point is to connect. So I connected on a video that I edited horribly, but I left it up because done is better than perfect. I make mistakes. I didn't move a little sound clip like 17 minutes down or delete it or whatever, and it messed up the whole video, but it's done. The topic was there, the content was good. Was it the best? No, but it's done. So don't beat yourself up and don't let that hold you back from accomplishing small things every day that get you towards your goal. I'm not perfect at it, but I just want, by any means, but I just want to encourage you that done is better than perfect. And if you have a choice of being like, oh my gosh, like I have to redo it, to never mind, it's done, go with never mind, it's done. You can do it again later. You can come up with a new idea, a new way. You can brainstorm the workarounds that you thought held you back. Chances are we're not gonna notice. Like that's just you beating up on yourself because we do it really well. But just keep going forward and keep doing the best you can at the time and just get it done. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. And that can be with like organizing your house or cleaning out your closet or washing your car or doing crochet or finishing a blanket. Like any task that you're like, oh, I have to get it done, or oh my gosh, people are gonna think, just get it done. It doesn't matter what other people think, and you're gonna learn much more from your mistakes than from re-editing and reorganizing and re-washing and re-sorting so many times that like it's boring and you don't want to do it anymore. Being perfect can totally kill your passion. So just let go and get it done. Done is better than perfect. Do you agree or you don't agree? And do you have any projects that you would just like to get done? Or are you more of like, I can't get it done if it's not perfect? Like if you were doing a blanket and there was a stitch halfway down, would you like go back and frog the whole thing? Or would you take a little bit of yarn later and try to just kind of, you know, fix it and make it look like it matched? I'm kind of a make it match kind of girl. The point is, done is better than perfect. So leave your ideas, thoughts, comments, projects, what you're working on and what you think you could benefit from just getting it done instead of waiting for it to be perfect in the comment box below. And thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and stay hooked. Oh, it's on? Great. Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. No, I should try to say that all the time. Hi. Hi, this is